So for my piece of innovative technology, I will be talking about TensorFlow and image recognition using TensorFlow with Python. Our brains can easily see the difference between a chair and a table, but making a computer see this difference in classifying images is a lot harder. This type of computer vision is what we call image recognition. A lot of successful models have been created to solve problems like this, including ImageNet and AlexNet. TensorFlow is an open source software library for performance of a numerical computation. It has a very flexible architecture which allows easy deployment on a variety of platforms including CPUs and GPUs. And it's originally developed by researchers and engineers from the Google Brain team within Google's AI organization. And it comes with strong support for machine learning and deep learning, and the flexible numerical computational core is used across many other scientific domains. Neural networks are computer systems modeled off of the human brain, and they enable computers to learn from observational data. The neural network is made up of layers, input layers, hidden layers, and output layers. You can use TensorFlow to create a neural network, and these neural networks help perform specific tasks to help classify images. Each of the inputs have specific weights, which are real numbers that express the importance of relative inputs. The neuron's output is a binary number, either 0 or 1, which is determined by whether the weighted sum of the neurons before is greater than or less than a certain threshold value. Here is some of the code I have right now using the Jupyter IDE. Some of the benefits of TensorFlow and image recognition include easy visualization. They help with medical screening and obstacle detection in cars, and purchasing recommendations and organizing content. For marketing and business purposes, it gives a competitive advantage to understand digital data, and it's useful for classifying and organizing large sets and inputs of data with various speeds and depth. Thank you.